laboratory, incubators are essential equipment used for various experiments and research. These incubators provide controlled conditions such as temperature, humidity, and lighting to support the growth of biological cultures. They are commonly used in microbiology, cell culture, and molecular biology studies. Incubators help maintain a stable and optimal environment for the samples, ensuring accurate and reliable results. They are equipped with features like adjustable shelves, temperature control, and CO2 regulation for specific experimental requirements. Incubators are used for various applications, including bacterial growth, tissue culture, and protein expression. They play a crucial role in scientific research, pharmaceutical development, and medical diagnostics. Incubators are designed to provide a stable and sterile environment, preventing contamination and ensuring the success of experiments. With their precise control and monitoring capabilities, incubators are indispensable tools in modern laboratories. In conclusion, incubators are vital equipment that enable scientists to create optimal conditions for their experiments and achieve accurate results.